7 powerful baking soda tricks for women every day. In the world of household remedies and kitchen miracles, baking soda often emerges as a true superstar. This plain white powder, which is scientifically called sodium bicarbonate, has been a reliable household item for many years. While it is renowned for its role in baking, baking soda possesses an array of hidden talents that can significantly benefit women in various aspects of their daily lives. From skincare to cleaning and even health and beauty, baking soda holds secrets that can transform your routines and simplify your life. Even though baking soda might be very helpful, some people might be allergic to it. Accordingly, you should see your primary care doctor right away if you are new to using baking soda and have had any kind of problem, no matter how minor or major it is. In today's video, we will delve deep into the many uses of baking soda for women. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the extraordinary world of baking soda. 1. Baking soda for skincare. Baking soda is a versatile household staple with a myriad of uses, including its effectiveness as a facial cleanser. In fact, many individuals have discovered the incredible benefits of incorporating baking soda into their skincare routine. Due to its gentle exfoliating properties, it is an excellent choice for a homemade facial cleanser. When applied as a facial cleanser, it gently sloughs away dead and old skin cells, which can otherwise clog pores and leave your complexion looking lackluster. To get the best result, you must mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. Then gently massage this paste onto your face in circular motions. Baking soda boasts mild abrasive properties, which makes it an excellent choice of exfoliator for the skin. After massaging through the face, rinse the pack thoroughly. It helps remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated. In fact, baking soda is an effective natural cleanser that can be used to get rid of surface impurities like oil and dirt. It can penetrate the pores, dislodging debris and ensuring a thorough cleansing experience, leaving your skin feeling revitalized. That's why it becomes a great choice for a skincare ingredient. In addition, baking soda is a blessing for women who have oily skin. It aids in absorbing excess oil, minimizing shine, and reducing the likelihood of clogged pores, which can often result in acne and blackheads. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties can help alleviate the discomfort and inflammation associated with acne. If you create a paste with baking soda and water, then apply it to the affected area and leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing. It will keep your skin from getting warm. Also, you must remember not to overuse it, as your skin can get dry super quick. Moreover, baking soda is often used in foot soaks to soothe tired feet and combat foot odor. When you soak your feet in a baking soda foot bath, it may relieve the itchiness and discomfort. Even these issues associated with an athlete's foot might be relieved through a generous baking soda food bath. After a long day, a baking soda foot soak can provide soothing relief. For that, you can add a few tablespoons of baking soda to warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Thus, it helps soften calluses and relieve foot odor, leaving your feet feeling refreshed. 2. Baking soda for hair care. What if we say that baking soda can be an effective cleanser for your hair too? It might be shocking to many, but it can effectively dissolve oils and remove dirt and product residue from your hair and scalp. That's why many people choose the controlled use of baking soda in their hair as beneficial. Baking soda's fine particles act as a natural exfoliant when applied to the hair, It can help remove dead skin cells, unclog hair follicles, and stimulate blood circulation. In addition to that, this promotes a healthier scalp environment, which in turn encourages hair growth and reduces issues like flakiness and itching. Is your hair feeling weighed down by product buildup and excess oil? Baking soda can be your hair's best friend, but how can you use it to clean your excessively oily hair? For that, you may add a small amount of baking soda to your regular shampoo. After that, you may use it as a clarifying treatment once a week. Thus, it helps remove residue and leaves your hair feeling cleaner and more manageable. Another annoying and embarrassing problem with hair is its irresistible dandruff. But now you can rest easy because baking soda can help temporarily relieve the annoyance. To use baking soda for dandruff, combine 3 to 4 tablespoons with 1 cup of warm water. Mix well and apply it to your scalp. Massage gently and leave it on for a minute or two. Next, wash your hair with shampoo as usual. Since baking soda has antifungal properties, it can help combat the fungus that often contributes to dandruff. However, this should only be used as a short-term fix. Baking soda should not be your primary source for getting rid of dandruff. Baking soda's cleansing properties don't just remove residues, they also enhance your hair's natural shine. By eliminating impurities that can weigh your hair down or make it appear lackluster, baking soda can leave your hair looking glossier and healthier. However, you must remember that overdoing baking soda when cleaning your hair or scalp might make it dry. That's why experts say that one may use baking soda for short-term relief from hair issues. For the best result, you may only use it once per week. 3. Baking soda for household cleaning. One of the most well-known uses of baking soda is as an all-purpose cleaner since it can tackle stains, odors, and grime on various surfaces. In fact, baking soda's fine particles are gentle enough not to scratch most surfaces, but effective enough to tackle dirt and stains. That's why it's particularly useful for cleaning stainless steel sinks, stovetops, and ceramic cookware without causing damage. Also, baking soda's odor-absorbing properties are well documented. It works by trapping odors through a process called adsorption, where odor molecules adhere to the surface of the baking soda particles. Thus, this ingredient becomes an effective and natural deodorizer for various areas of your home. In addition to that, baking soda can help enhance the cleaning power of your dishwashing detergent. It aids in breaking down food residues and grease on dishes, pots, and pans due to its mild abrasive nature and alkaline pH. Thus, you can enjoy fully clean crockery and dishes more easily. Moreover, when combined with vinegar, the chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar produces carbon dioxide gas, which creates agitation and helps break down clogs in drains. It can be effective for minor blockages. Also, baking soda's abrasive properties are useful for scrubbing bathroom surfaces. It helps remove soap scum, mineral deposits, and stains from tiles, grout, and porcelain fixtures. To get the best result, you may mix baking soda with water to create a thick paste and use it to scrub sinks, countertops, bathroom surfaces, and stovetops. Its gentle abrasiveness helps remove dirt without scratching surfaces. What if we say that baking soda, when mixed with water to form a paste, can gently remove tarnish from silver items? It works through a chemical reaction that reverses the tarnishing process. You may even sprinkle baking soda on carpets before vacuuming. It can help absorb and neutralize odors, making the carpet smell fresher. No one loves a home that smells foul. And when you find a strong odor neutralizer in your kitchen, maintaining the freshness of your home becomes easier. That's why baking soda becomes an ideal solution for eliminating unpleasant smells in your home. Place an open box of baking soda in the refrigerator to absorb food odors. You can also sprinkle it on carpets and upholstery, let it sit for a while, and then vacuum it up to freshen your living spaces. Alongside all these super benefits, when it comes to laundry, baking soda can serve as a natural and cost-effective alternative to commercial fabric softeners and stain removers. Add a half cup of baking soda to your laundry to boost the cleaning power of your detergent, remove odors from clothes, and soften your fabrics. 4. Baking soda for personal hygiene. Well, the biggest benefit of baking soda is probably its personal hygiene. Keeping the underarms and inmate area clean can be a tough job if you live a busy life. Also, we all know that commercial hygiene products often contain harsh chemicals and fragrances that can irritate sensitive skin. You might know that baking soda's alkaline nature can help balance the pH levels of certain body parts, such as the underarms and vaginal area. That's why its effectiveness as a natural deodorant stems from its ability to neutralize acidic compounds and eliminate odor-causing bacteria. This can reduce the likelihood of odor and discomfort caused by excess acidity or sweat accumulation. By applying a small amount of baking soda to clean, dry underarms, women can maintain a fresh feeling throughout the day without relying on commercial deodorants that may contain chemicals. In addition to the benefits in this video, baking soda can be helpful in protecting your oral health too. It can help whiten teeth and freshen breath. To get the most effective result, mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste. Then brush your teeth gently. It aids in removing surface stains from teeth, making them appear whiter. Moreover, this ingredient also helps neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Although some people use it as a mouthwash by mixing it with water to freshen breath, it is advisable not to use it excessively, as it can be abrasive to tooth enamel. In addition to these benefits, even for mild sunburn, baking soda mixed with water can be applied topically to the affected area. Its alkaline properties can aid in soothing the skin, lowering redness, and easing sunburn-related discomfort. Baking soda's ability to soothe itching and irritation makes it a valuable home remedy for various skin issues. Applying a baking soda paste to areas affected by rashes or insect bites can provide relief and promote healing. 5. Baking soda for women's health. We understand the importance of maintaining cleanliness for women's health, and the difficulty is also well documented in this case. For example, urinary tract infections, UTIs, can be incredibly uncomfortable. But to everyone's surprise, baking soda may provide temporary relief from the burning sensation associated with UTIs. For that, you may add a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water and drink it to help neutralize the acid in your urine temporarily. In addition to that, for women who experience painful menstrual cramps, baking soda may offer some relief. All you need is to dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and drink it. It can help alleviate cramps for a short period of time by reducing the acidity in your body. Baking soda is a safe and natural option for cleaning and sanitizing different items. However, menstrual cups should never be cleaned with baking soda. Although it can effectively remove stains, odors, and bacteria, its abrasive particles are not suitable for a delicate item such as a menstrual cup. 6. Baking soda for beauty. For beauty treatments, people first look at their kitchen ingredients. and baking soda is no exception in that case. Since it has a fine, gritty texture, it may gently exfoliate the nails and the surrounding cuticles. This exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and debris, leaving the nails looking cleaner and brighter. But how can you clean the nails and cuticles? For that, you need to mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a thick paste. After that, gently massage this paste onto your nails and cuticles. Rinse thoroughly, pat dry, and don't forget to apply moisturizer or cuticle oil. Moreover, baking soda can effectively remove stains from the nails, particularly those caused by nail polish or exposure to certain foods and dyes. By creating a paste with baking soda and water and gently massaging it onto the nails, you can lighten and remove these stains. In an emergency, one may use baking soda as a natural nail polish remover. For that, you may mix equal parts baking soda and lemon juice to create a paste and gently rub it onto your nails to remove polish without harsh chemicals. If your nails have a yellowish tint due to factors like smoking or wearing dark nail polish frequently, baking soda can help whiten them. The mild abrasive nature of baking soda can buff away the discoloration, revealing whiter and healthier-looking nails. Apart from these, you may create a soothing nail soak by adding a couple of tablespoons of baking soda to a basin of warm water. Soak your nails for about 10 to 15 minutes. This can help with exfoliation and stain removal while promoting overall nail health. In addition to that, baking soda can help strengthen nails by promoting a healthy pH balance. It has an alkaline nature that can counteract the effects of acidic substances, which can weaken the nails. By maintaining a balanced pH, baking soda contributes to stronger and less brittle nails. 7. Baking soda for women's wellness. Women often juggle numerous responsibilities, and stress can take a toll on their well-being. What if we could give you an easier way to unwind from the stress? All you need is to take a baking soda bath. It can be a simple yet effective way to relax and unwind. For that, you can add a cup of baking soda to your bath water and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. It can help soothe your muscles and calm your mind. Despite that, heartburn is a common issue for many women. Baking soda can act as an antacid to relieve heartburn symptoms. You may simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and drink it slowly to neutralize stomach acid temporarily. Learn about these precautions before using baking soda rigorously. Up to this point, we have explored the seemingly endless array of baking soda's possible advantages. However, before using baking soda for various purposes, it's essential to take certain precautions to ensure safety and effectiveness. There is no doubt that baking soda is a versatile household ingredient, but improper use or overuse can lead to adverse effects. Let's cover some of the safety measures you should take before using baking soda regularly. 1. Firstly, we should take a skin patch test. Before using baking soda on your skin, especially in DIY beauty treatments or as a deodorant, it's wise to perform a patch test. For that, apply a small amount of the diluted baking soda mixture to a small area of your skin and wait for 24 hours to check for any signs of irritation, redness, or allergic reactions. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately. 2. You must use it in moderation. No matter how many benefits baking soda has, it is abrasive and can be harsh on the skin and nails if used excessively. That's why it's important to use it in moderation to avoid over-exfoliation or drying out your skin and nails. For example, limit exfoliating treatments with baking soda to once or twice a week. 3. Don't forget to dilute. One important tip is to keep in mind that baking soda should be diluted properly when used on the skin or hair. Otherwise, you might get burned due to excessive use of this item. Always mix it with water or other gentle substances to create a paste or solution, because using baking soda in its undiluted form can be too abrasive and may cause irritation. 4. Be careful to its pH sensitivity. Please keep in mind that baking soda is alkaline by nature, and using it on areas of your body that have a delicate pH balance, like the vaginal area, can disrupt the natural pH levels and potentially cause irritation or infections. That's why you should consult with a healthcare professional before using baking soda in such sensitive areas. 5. Avoid open wounds or broken skin. Another important aspect of the usage of baking soda is when you should avoid it. Do not apply baking soda to open wounds, cuts, or broken skin. It can be irritating and may delay the healing process. 6. Don't forget to rinse thoroughly. When using baking soda as a part of your beauty routine, ensure that you rinse it off completely. Leaving baking soda residue on your skin or hair for extended periods can lead to dryness and potential irritation. 7. Must consult a professional. If you have specific skin conditions, allergies, or concerns about using baking soda, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist or healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that baking soda is safe and suitable for your needs. 8. Remember dental precautions. When using baking soda for oral care, such as teeth whitening or as a mouthwash, use it sparingly and avoid excessive scrubbing. Overuse can potentially damage tooth enamel. Consult with a dentist before incorporating baking soda into your oral hygiene routine. 9. Proper storage is crucial. How you store baking soda says a lot about its benefits. That's why you must store baking soda in a cool, dry place, away from moisture. Ensure the container is sealed properly to prevent contamination and maintain its effectiveness. 10. Keep out of reach of children. Although baking soda is a mere household product, and while it's generally safe, it should be kept out of the reach of children to prevent accidental ingestion or misuse. Baking soda is a versatile and effective household ingredient, but it should be used with care and attention to proper dilution and application. Taking these precautions will help ensure that you can safely and effectively incorporate baking soda into your beauty and hygiene routines while minimizing the risk of adverse reactions or issues. If in doubt, it's always best to seek advice from a healthcare professional or dermatologist. Did you know there are certain foods and drinks that can have a positive effect on our bodies? Some drinks can even help you live longer. Interested in learning more? Watch 10 super drinks that will help you live longer. Or watch 11 most healthiest foods after 50 plus your body is begging for. Watch one, or even better, watch both. Will you be using more of baking soda from now on? Let me know in the comments below.